Oh, oh, what's that? What do we got going on over here? It's the Cleek-Eye Cross. It's the Cleek-Eye Cross. Miss Scarlet. Miss Scarlet. So she's not talking to me. Are you doing the Cleek-Eye Cross? Huh? Are you doing the Cleek-Eye Cross? Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? Come here. Scarlet, come here. That's you, ding dong. You're so silly. You're silly, Connies. Well, come here. Oh, skinny minis. Oh, Connie, what a good girl. Oh, yes. That's the Connor Bonners. I see you. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, so maybe you are a little curious, huh? Is somebody getting your kisses? Is somebody getting your kisses? Yeah, you don't want somebody else getting your kisses. Come here. Oh, gotta come here. I'm not coming to you. Oh, goodness, it was a smackdown. It was a smackdown.